Hello everyone, I am Professor Poonam Mishra. Welcome to my YouTube channel for the subject Secretarial Practice. So students, here we will learn what are the essential or important for writing any professional or business letter. What are the situation we should consider as a secretary or any writer for the writing any business letter. So here all the conditions are divided into 8 C's. So first C is clarity. No use of double meaning word or short form words. The letter should not use any words which has a two or three meanings, or any abbreviation or short form should not be used. Message should be correct and clear. The writer should write all the message or information for the reader which should be correct and clear. Use of simple words and common words. So students, use of simple, which is very commonly used by all people, that word should be choose for writing the business letter. Next C is conciseness. So students, conciseness means brief. The letter should be short but complete. There should be minimum words used in the letter, so it will save the time of the reader, and this kind of letter proves very effective and get quick attention by the readers. Next C is completeness. Letter, if you are writing brief, it does not mean the letter should be incomplete. Your letter should consist all the information which should be given to the reader, which should be reach to the readers. So letter should cover all facts and figures, all numbers, all situation, all conditions should be mentioned. It should give complete information. If the letter is incomplete, it will not achieve the desired result. Means whatever the writer wants from the reader, that cannot be achieved if the letter is incomplete. Next C is courtesy. Courtesy means good manners. The letter should be a manner written in a very good language, very polite or humble language. Okay, so the letter should be the writer should use polite language while writing the letter, so that letter will get the positive or favorable reply from the reader. Any harsh, rude, abusive or insulting word should not be used in the letter. Next is correctness. Whatever the sentence or word you are writing as a writer, that should be correct. There should not be any mistake. There should not be any grammar or spelling mistakes, and it should provide the correct information. If the mistakes is there, it will create the ambiguity, confusion, and it will create the problem for the reader to understand. He cannot understand what is written in the letter. Next is coherence. Serially, step by step, every facts and information should be mentioned properly, chronologically, means step by step. So letter should be in logical sequence. There should be a proper sequence of the letter divided into different paragraph. So once the letter is being written, it should not be randomly written. It should be divided or bifurcated into different paragraph, and the paragraph should be arranged very logically. So upper paragraph should be connected to next paragraph, means each paragraph should be connected to each other. Next C is consideration. Consideration means the writer should think about the reader first. The letter should be written from the reader point of view. Okay, so point of view always should be considered for the reader first. Importance and all the consideration should be given to the reader, means the preference of writing the letter should be given to the reader. It means the letter should follow you attitude. Okay, the letter should motivate to act the reader. Next C is cheerfulness. So students, the letter should be cheerful. It should provoke, it should motivate the reader to act upon the letter. Letter should be positive, it should create a very good spirit for the hopefulness, and the letter should avoid any negative or word or sentence that will create the bad impression of the organization. So students, here we saw the 8C of the essentials of good business letter, which is very important for the professional writer. So if you are writing any professional letter or business letter, you should consider all these 8 points while writing the letter. Hope you understood, and meet you in the next video. Thank you.